This Genspark AI is getting viral day by day. Why? Now it's include each and everything, whatever you want to imagine, to do it through AI. It can have the chart, but the most important thing is that it's using all kind of models like ChatGPT, Claude, Google, Gemini, all models for AI chart, as well as it can create the image. Right? It's not only on focusing only one thing. It can use the ChatGPT feature, Gemini features, also flocks, LoRa, flocks, all kind of good models it will be using. Along with that, the video generation will show you each by everything, means from image generation to video generation. And you can see it's using the Kling AI, Pika Labs, Luma Labs, everything it's using along with the translations. But not only this, you can generate lot many kind of agentic workflows here. Here you can travel to San Diego if you are going. Then after that, or any place you are going, you can ask it to generate a travel plan. Also it will call to different hotels or restaurants to book your kind of, it is a AI conversation will happen directly. It will call to that particular restaurant and book it, or hotel and book it. Then it can do the deep sea research, data search, call for me functionality, whatever we have discussed. It will directly call as if a person, means one individual number, and it will book the hotels and all. Then if you see here, if you go to the image studio, it has lot of the models are here. If you'll see the generate image we have here, so it will definitely ask you for the plans and all. But let's go this one later. If you see here, here it is a mixture of agents. Like if you see flocks, all models are there: ideogram, recraft, dali, and Gemini Imagen 3, right? So it can remix with any of the kind of previously defined styles. And you can have auto styles, or you can select some styles here. And auto size, it is selected, you can select from particular size aspect ratio like 9 is to 6, 10, 4 is to 3, or 9 16 is to 9. So all these things you can create. Video generation also, you have lot of models like Kling, Lumelab, Hunyuan, and Gemini VO2, which is very difficult actually directly to get, but here it is applicable. And Fix Verso is also there. So similarly, you can create that video by referring some images, right? It has censored as well as uncensored images. If you see the photos, you have the uncensored, right? So you can image that, and 3 to 5 second video it will generate. And the 5 to 10 second it can generate from the floss model, right? I mean floss plants and all. So let's see how it generate the image as well as the video. So here to generate an image, we have clicked on Image Studio and we have given the prompt. Here in like ChatGPT, you have a text box where you can write the prompt. We have written floating petals, delicate petals drift through air, evoking a sense of movement and whimsical details. Right. So below you can use the remix option, auto prompt, auto style, as well as the aspect ratio. Here we have just put 1:1, so it's 1:1, or else based on your preference you can use 9 is to 16 or 16 is to 9 based on your preference. So if you see here, the best part is that here it's not using only one model like in Midjourney or ChatGPT or Gemini. Whenever you are generating, it's only using its own model, right? But here if you see, it's using three models in our image specifically. In the bottom one, it's using Recraft V3. It is generating one kind of style of image. However, if you see Flux Dev, it is also a basic image. But just see the Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra. How beautiful image is that? How lifelike image is that? Right? So in this way, you can remix this image itself here. You can image to video. You can click on here. But definitely, as it is with paid plan, means so you can generate one or two images, one or two videos. But after that, it will ask you for pay. Right? Let's say for example here I will click on image to video, so it will ask for is paying that particular model and all. So once the free plans exhausted, then it will ask you to upgrade to the plus plan, where it is $20 per month. You have to give if you want to choose the annual plan, or else 24 or $25 you need to give for the monthly plan, right? So for to show in this video what I did, and let's go through what exactly is there. It is the priority access to all AI agents, right? OpenAI O1, O3 Mini, Claude Sonnet, Google Gemini 2.0 Flash, DeepSeek R1. So those are there. Image generation models are Flux, Ideogram, DALI, Gemini Imagen 3, and also the latest video models. really it is helpful, because this VO2, it is very difficult to get, as well as the Kling 1.6, Luma Lab Ray 2. So definitely you will getting the values. But let's, for our video, we will use another account just to create a video, just to show you how it's generating the video. Just to show you guys how it's generating the video, I have created another account where I have logged in, and I have directly used one video model, right? So what the same prompt I have given, the delicate petals drifting through air, evoking sense of movement and whimsical details. So what it does, really does a good thing, like it first of all reflect what it understood, right? Means what the prompt you are trying to achieve. Then after that, it is improving the prompt. And after that, if you see, based on your model, means you can use the Pixforce Kling AI Luma Lab. So here I have chosen this Kling AI because it's the gold standard in the video generation. If you see, it's generating these things. The petals are falling, but anyways, these are not the petals. These are the complete flower. You can say small flowers. So those are falling, right? So apart from these things, if you only one video you can generate for a day, and after that it will ask you for the floss plan. So apart from this, what are the extra thing you can do in the video editing or image editing? Let's see now. If you see here in the image studio, it is actually generating image and image to video. That's good. But along with that one, it has some more additional functionality like background remover. Like in your mobile phone, like iPhone or Samsung Galaxy AI, you can see it can remove the background, or it can do here. Magic eraser, like Google phones, Pixel phones, or whatever functionality, you can do it here. And magic redraw, you can add something else here. For example, this boat is there, it's adding some pelicans words or something, so it's also doing very well, right? Then image on blur, let's say a very old image, and quickly you have taken the shot, and it will create the good image with a good clarity. Then image expand, it can expand the image. And this is the best part, because it will give you some business values, like, or maybe for you social media upload. For example, you don't need to create the, don't need to purchase the search and all. You can choose any of the search from any internet, or you can design using this image generation. Put your photo, put your search, and it will uh, attach these search with your photos. So just imagine how beneficial it is. So in this way, we will also try with the super agents and all the agents, what exactly it can do, means how it can call, how it can, you know, create agentic flows and all in the coming sessions. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if this video give you any of the benefits, and we'll see you soon. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.